And I would buy this doorway pull-up bar in a heartbeat. Starting off, I purchased the pull-up bar back on July 6th of 2020. Now, at the time, I bought this product for $48.69 after Texas taxes, and I'm going to go over why I think that cost is justified in the remainder of this video. So first, let's break down the product to see if it'll actually fit in one of your doorways. So the total length of the product comes in at 39 inches. The entire depth of the product is 17 inches. And the height of the product when I place it on the floor and measure to the top as if you're going to do a pull-up is 13 inches. Another measurement I made is the distance from the wall to where you actually grip with your hands, as this is a bit different than the total depth, and that is 9 inches. The weight of the product comes in at 8 pounds, so this thing isn't the lightest in the world, but just know it will come in at 8 pounds if you're trying to put it up into your doorway. This product also supports up to 300 pounds, and I currently come in at 185 pounds, so I have a long way to go before I ever reach the maximum limit. And online, it does mention that this doorway will fit doors 29 to 39 inches wide, so just know if you have a door between those dimensions, you will be able to fit it on your doorway. So now let's jump into the pros I have for the Perfect Fitness Multi-Gym Doorway Pull-Up Bar Elite Edition. My first pro is that the standard width pull-up bar handles come out 9 inches from the wall. This makes it a lot more comfortable to actually do pull-ups. Before, I was having the handles kind of nudge up against the door frame itself, and in the middle you could do your things like the chin-ups, or with the Pro you had the really wide handles, but I didn't really like to use those, so now I can do a standard pull-up without any issues and they come out away from the wall so I feel safe and secure when using it. Next, this doorway pull-up bar can hold a lot of weight. Again, I'm only 185 pounds as of shooting this video, so I have a lot of weight I can still go up to, and I do put a backpack on my back to continue to progressively overload and use my core fitness dumbbell weights to add on more resistance, so I still have a long way before 300 pounds, which is good as I'll need to use it scaling up in the future. The next one is this might be the most stable doorway pull-up bar I have ever used. So when using this pull-up bar, I feel like I barely even budget when I get on it. Even at 185 pounds, the thing just is solid and really well built for a doorway pull-up bar. I have to give them props here because I thought the Pro was a good one for this, but I think this one actually takes the cake as the most sturdy doorway pull-up bar I've ever used. My next pro is that the wall stabilizers / protectors are the best of the best of the best of the best. I really can't say more about this. It's really that good. I do have some markings from my Pro when it actually had the foam padding fall off the back and then it dug into the door. I've been checking here to see if I could get any red marks or any more additional door frame damage, but I've had none. It's been amazing what these protectors and stabilizers have done in terms of protecting my door frame. Moving along, there's more foam grip hand padding than the Pro Edition, as well as the Compact Edition, which I did own a long time ago. I still own it, but it's not put together. But just know this one has the most padding overall, so you have more placements for your hands, and it keeps you from slipping off. I had some problems with the Pro where when I was doing standard pull-ups, there's no padding on the handle positioning, so if I got really sweaty, I'd actually have a hard time gripping the bar itself. Here, I've not had that problem since. My last pro is that there are enough hand positionings for really anyone who is working out at home. You don't need to have 100 different variations of pull-ups or even like leg raises, ab workouts, all those kind of things. You really just need the basics. Maybe like even 3 would probably be all you really need, which I'm only really using for pull-ups right now, but you can also do things again like chin-ups, hammer pull-ups. You can even do the hanging knee and leg raises. All that stuff can be used with this pull-up bar, and it again is one of the best I've ever used. Now I actually only came up with 1.5 cons here for this pull-up bar. And that is that the bar is again 8 pounds and is pretty bulky in size. Compared to my other 2 pull-up bars from Perfect, this one's definitely the largest of the bunch. That doesn't mean it's bad overall. The problem is maybe if you take it or like put it up and take it down a lot, you might run into issues there. But for me, because I just leave it in my doorway all the time, it really has not caused any big issues for me so far. And one last thing before I jump into would I buy it again, is that this is really just for pull-ups. I would not buy this product and make it an entire gym out of it. I don't like to do even push-ups, dips, whatever other things they might have, like the sit-ups. Don't use it for that. This is, again, a pull-up based product. Use it for that and leave the other things to other equipment that's suited better for those exercises. For this, it really just only works with the pull-ups in my opinion. And with that being said, would I buy the Perfect Fitness Doorway Pull-Up Bar Elite Edition again? And I would buy this doorway pull-up bar in a heartbeat, even for the $48 cost. This is an amazing doorway pull-up bar. Again, I rarely take this pull-up bar off of my door frame. I use it for quite a few exercises now. I've kind of adapted a new way of doing my resistance-based training where I hook up one of the ankle straps and I attach it to the pull-up bar itself so I can do things like tricep pushdowns, cable crunches, face pulls, those kind of things. And it works very, very, very well for that. Again, because you're pulling the pull-up bar actually into the door frame. I have yet to damage the wall or damage my pull-up bar because of this, because I'm, again, using the ankle strap. So it's really, really worked well for multiple exercises, so I'm getting a lot of my money's worth with this one product. It is the most expensive of the 3 perfect products, but again, I would buy this one just right off the bat. Don't even bother with the other 2. The Pro maybe, as it is a really good product, but this Elite is just really on a next level. It is the best of the best for a pretty good price, so I would jump right on it right away, even for that like $50 price. So with that, I will be getting rid of my other 2 pull-up bars, which are the Compact Edition, which is actually not even built right now because I don't have the screws for it after moving from California to Texas. And then the Pro Edition, which I'll be getting rid of, and I have reviewed in the past. Still a great pull-up bar overall. Actually, both of them are still very, very good. However, this one is better than that. It's just on another level. So again, I'm going to be using this one moving forward. And that's it for this review on the Perfect Fitness Multi-Gym Doorway Pull-Up Bar Elite Edition. If you did like this review, please like and subscribe to GamerBody for more videos just like this one. Also, make sure you head over to GamerBody.com. There you can check out my home workout program, the equipment I currently own and use, and the information I'm learning from to continue to build muscle and confidence, all from the comfort of home. Again, like, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Be fit and game on.